Most people believe they are free because they have a passport. But in 2026, a passport isn't a key, it's a leash. Did you know that if you try to leave certain high-tax jurisdictions with your wealth today, you might be hit with an exit tax? They don't just want your future income. They want a piece of everything you've ever built before they let you walk out the door. In the old world, your security was tied to your soil. You were a citizen of a country, a taxpayer to a capital, and a prisoner of a single border. But the map is lying to you. While the masses argue over national politics, the architects have moved on to a new concept: the liquid border. They realize that in a digital age, being tied to one jurisdiction is the ultimate concentration risk. If your assets, your business, and your identity are all in one place, you don't own your life. You're just renting it from the state. File number 010 today. We decode the strategy of flag planting and why your passport is no longer a document of travel, but a liability. Think of your citizenship like a stock portfolio. If you put 100% of your money into one single company, any professional investor would call you insane. Yet most people have 100% of their life invested in one single country. They have their bank accounts there, their real estate there, and their legal status there. This is concentration risk. Governments globally are currently looking at your bank account as their emergency fund. When national debt to GDP ratios hit the red zone, the first thing they do is restrict capital flight. We call this the financial iron curtain. They make it harder to move money, harder to renounce citizenship, and easier to freeze assets without due process. In the 2026 ghost economy, being stuck is the greatest danger to your wealth. But there is a shift. A group of nations has realized that the old model of tax and control is dying. They are becoming host economies. A host economy treats you like a customer, not a subject. In hubs like Dubai, Singapore, or even the new economic zones in El Salvador, this social contract has been rewritten. You pay for world-class infrastructure, and in exchange, they leave your assets alone. They offer golden visas and e-residency programs that don't care where you were born. They only care about the value you bring. Contrast this with legacy economies that treat your success as a communal resource to be harvested. The liquid border means that in 2026, you are no longer a resident. You are a liquid asset. So how do the 0.1% actually do it? They use the 5-flag theory. It is the ultimate protocol for becoming untouchable. Flag 1. Citizenship. You hold a passport in a country that doesn't tax you on what you earn abroad. Flag 2. Business base. Your company is registered in a low-tax, high-privacy jurisdiction like the British Virgin Islands or a US LLC. Flag 3. Asset haven. Your physical gold and digital tokens are stored in private vaults in neutral zones like Switzerland or the ghost economy rails we discussed in file #9. Flag 4. Residency. You spend your time in a place with high quality of life and no worldwide tax reach. Flag 5. Digital infrastructure. Your servers and data live in jurisdictions with the strongest privacy laws. By planting these 5 flags in 5 different countries, no single government can cancel you. If one flag is threatened, you simply move to the next. You don't need $1 million to start. You start by delinking. First, move your digital storage to a neutral jurisdiction. Second, open a secondary bank account in a country that does not share your primary nationality. The goal isn't to run away, it's to be uncancelable. The borders are dissolving for those who are prepared. The map is changing for the architects. The question isn't where you belong. It's where you are treated best. In file number 011, we are going to look at the next hostage situation. The death of the 401k and why your retirement is the final prize for the legacy system. Subscribe to Wealth File Official to receive the next transmission. The vault is now closed. Stay sovereign.